In this video, we are going to look at the keep position function. I have created my base alignment on this plane, used the center circle as my origin, and used a symmetry point off of this lug right here in the positive Y direction to set my orientation. I have 6 lugs, therefore each lug is at 60 degrees. And I've gone in and I've created 2 diameters on this lug, and now I'm going to create 2 space points. And for the space points, I am going to do the distance in a 2D polar. I'm going to copy that and use that to create the other distance. And I've already ported out the diameters for the lugs. So I'm going to put this into a group because I am going to copy this group for the other lugs. But first I need to go in, and I've already done this. I've created alignments for each lug. Now the way I did this, I went in and created a rotation at 60 degrees based off the alignment for the first one. Then the second alignment, I used alignment 1 and again rotated 60 degrees, and I continued this on till I did all the lugs. I built each one off the previous alignment, so I didn't have to keep adding 60 degrees through each alignment from the base alignment. I used it off the previous one and just rotated 60 degrees. Alright, let's show you how keep position works. I'm going to copy this lug and paste it. Now here I'm going to open up circle 4 in this case, pull this down and click keep position first. Now when I go to alignment 1, it moves the circle over to alignment 1. Let's open up the next one. Keep position is sticky, so we just keep clicking alignment 1 in this case. And you see it will move all the values over and copy them as if they were originally in the base alignment, but it puts it on lug 2. Let's copy this. We already have lug 1 copied, so let's just paste it again. Becomes lug 3. Here we're going to go to alignment 2, and you see it moves the feature over. Let's move this out of the way and make this easier. Come down, alignment 2, okay, I'll go ahead and finish this up on all the lugs. Alright, now all the lugs are completed. Let's go in and create the characteristics for the lug features. Let's do diameter 2. Now you see this being pulled up. This is new to Calypso 5.8. If I right click, it show graphic results display. It's automatic. If I right click, here's the properties. I can set what's in the properties of that feature, what I want displayed on the screen. I can do the positioning automatically. So this is a new function inside Calypso 5.8. But let's go back to reporting the diameters on the lugs using the paintbrush tool. Let's just copy each one of these. Okay. Let's go back to the polar distance. Let's do the same thing with the points. Okay, and there you see all the points. Now let's execute this and show what happens. I'm using offline, so I need to use simulation. So we have measured one lug, defined that one lug, and put all of our features on it. And then through Keep Position, we have moved the part measurements around to each lug, and that's Keep Position.